We guide you through how to withdraw funds from KuCoin. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your KuCoin account and make sure you've completed any required identification if prompted. From the home page, click Assets and select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, then select the correct network. Copy the receiving wallet address from the platform or wallet where you want to send your funds. Paste it carefully into the address field and double check that the wallet address and network match exactly to avoid losing your crypto. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the withdrawal fee and the amount you'll receive, then click Withdraw. Complete the required security verification such as your trading password, email verification code, or two-factor authentication code. Once confirmed, submit your request. You can track the withdrawal status in your withdrawal history, and after the blockchain confirms the transaction, your funds will arrive in the destination wallet. That's how to withdraw from KuCoin safely and successfully.